Hey, before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification button. Hey, fangirls and fanboys, fans of comics and fans of toys. If you know of the comic book series Chew from Image Comics, created by John Layman and illustrated amazingly by Rob Guillory, then you probably know that the series has been over for a while. But if you didn't know about Chew, and you're looking for something entertaining and original to read, I highly recommend to go ahead and get yourself the collected volumes of Chew. That's the way I read it. I didn't read it issue to issue. And it's fun. It's not for your kids though, just FYI. And if you've been craving a little more Chew, there's good news. After a failed TV pilot with Showtime, after a failed animated movie that was going to be co-starring David Tennant, if you want another mouthful of Chew, you can get it now. It's out as a crossover series between John Layman's newer title, Outer Darkness, and there's a 3-issue crossover series called Outer Darkness Chew. So that's been on sale March, April, and coming up in May. And that brings us to the subject of today, well, that is the subject of today's MP1 shot. A character that comes in partway through the series. I got this on eBay. No, it's not actually from Entertainment Earth, although maybe it was originally. Nicely packaged. And it is a Chog. I was reading the comic book series when I found out that there were Chog toys. I didn't get it when it was first out, but luckily I found one on eBay here. That is just cool. Oh, look at that. They even did a side profile on the side of the box. That's great. Love him, pet him, don't eat him. And yes, the prestigious Eisner Award went to Chew. And it was a limited edition. This is apparently 796 out of 1,000. So that's pretty cool. Let's check them out. All right, no tape. Oh, what is this he comes with? All right, so it's got a little fun little ticket on the inside for the main character's brother's restaurant. So a nice little bonus piece of memorabilia there. And the Chog itself. Just a little PVC critter, but pretty cool. So let's give him a little spin here real quick. Really cool design, really unique character. It'll be fun to have him on my shelf. All right, well there you have it. Cute little ugly critter. Nice reminder of the crazy, unique comic book series that is Chew. That's it. And until next time, happy collecting. And remember, if there's something you really want, it's worth taking a shot.